What up? What up? What's up? It's your girl Kay coming with another video. Hey guys, today, as you can hear the kids in the background, every day is mommy day. I'm in the kitchen. I'm about to clean the kitchen and deep clean the refrigerator. Take out everything and just wipe it, give it a good wipe, because today I'm gonna go grocery shopping, so I like it to have a clean slate before I bring in new groceries. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a good clean out, deep clean, but before I get to the refrigerator, I'm gonna clean this kitchen. Look how it is. All right, I just made that for the boys here. So this is from breakfast. We had breakfast this morning. I'm moving fast, my bad. We had pancakes, eggs, and sausage. And this is the dishes and stuff still out. So what I'm gonna do is put the dishes in the dishwasher, wipe everything down, all the surfaces, and then get to the refrigerator. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, you guys, I'm getting right into it with cleaning the kitchen first, and then I moved on to deep cleaning the fridge and freezer. With this video, I hope you get some kind of motivation to tackle whatever cleaning you have on your to-do list. If this is the first time you're joining us, what's up and welcome. Here on this channel, you will find a whole lot of honest, real-life mommy moments and day in the lives with my wonderful husband and 3 awesome boys. I also do a lot of cleaning motivational videos, organizing and decluttering videos, seasonal decorating videos, and much more. We are a family that loves the Lord and just trying to live a strong, humble, amazing, relentless, and purposeful life. So again, welcome to living a sharp life. I won't be talking for the remainder of the video, but I hope you enjoy it, and please let me know in the comment section, what area did you clean today? Hubby came home with some pizza and wings. This pizza is from, what's this pizza from?
I don't even know the name.
Simpsonville, South Carolina is a pizza place.
Anthony's Pizzeria.
Anthony's Pizzeria in Simpsonville, South Carolina. And he is saying that it's the bomb. I haven't had a piece yet because I'm still cleaning.
Now that's extra cheese and extra pepperoni. The chicken is crispy, extra crispy. You know me.
Yeah.
And it's hot, which is hot, but the sauce, that's the closest thing I've had from Buffalo, New York. Actual wings. That is the closest wings I've had that are delicious. Okay?
Yeah. So I'm
make sure you chuck it down with a half a gallon of water.
There you go. I'm gonna get some pizza and stuff once I finish cleaning.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. 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 Wanna move my feet. 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 Wanna drink my wine.
Alright you guys, that is the end of this video. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for future uploads. And remember to stay sharp. Aha!